Are you in your new blanket?
Yes.
Look,
It's my lap blanket, so stay warm during the winter. It's a little too warm for it to be on right now, but...
This is the fall blanket I made. I got these pretty colors at Walmart. Look how nice this pattern is. Is it nice and toasty?
Yeah, it's a little too warm. It needs to be taken off.
But he's my model. I'm not crazy about the borders because I didn't buy enough yarn. But I put on this green and this brown. But because
it goes with the other.
yeah, it
colors.
matches. I just thought it looked a little wonky, but
Keep covering me up. I'm getting warm. I told you, girl.
But this is the. Let me show him the blanket.
Here's the blanket. It's getting warm.
I
I
know.
gotta take it off. I'm sweating.
So, guys, this is
This is a fall and winter blanket, not a summer blanket.
Let him see. This is the beautiful fall blanket that I want to make sure they get a good shot of it that I made. If you end up they only had 4 skeins, so I bought it and I did this really close pattern, and then on the end I could have did a lot better border, but I didn't. It didn't come out.
It's all it needed. It was just a.
And hopefully, when it washes up, it'll be a little bit better.
It's a tighter crochet. I like that because she usually makes those ones with the big holes in them. My toes get caught on them, and I hate that. But
so my son said the same thing. So I said
he don't like it either.
So
Men don't like their toes getting caught in blankets.
So from now on, guys, when you make blankets, make sure. Let me finish what I'm doing, baby.
They're tight crochet.
Wait! Don't change it. So. Look how nice it's going to look on the sofa. It's going to look pretty. So anyway, I guess with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Clay's cracking me up because he's watching his show. And I said, you got to stop because I want to show the blanket. So there you guys go. A pretty crocheted autumn blanket that you can get the yarn at Walmart. And if they don't have enough, make a border and maybe make a better border than me. I don't know. Okay, guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.